Okay, this is not what you think, okay? This is a private room. Okay, this is a spa. Okay, this is a hotel spa. Okay, these are the two beds here where you will do the Thai massage, you will do after sun treatment, herbal body treatment. Okay, and then here you have just a bowl and everything. And then check this out. This is the jacuzzi. Okay, this is the jacuzzi. Alright, so what you do is you go inside here, you relax for half an hour. Okay, come out already, then you come to here. This is the herbal steam. Okay, herbal steam. What you do is you just open, see the steam coming out? All this is herbal steam. Okay, it's supposed to make you feel better and everything like that. Then there's a normal shower with the bathroom and everything. This is a private room. Okay, this is a private room. It's all in all this package. It comes up to about what is it?
3310
3,310
Baht.
Baht. So I think it's worth it because it gives you the privacy. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the jacuzzi. She's also here. She's going to go to the jacuzzi.
So nice.
I can't get over it, but the jacuzzi is happening. Okay, so we will.
We'll catch you later in the jacuzzi. We'll take a photograph in the jacuzzi.
No, cannot. That one we see how. Okay, bye.